In the following example, we're going to be exploring Autocad line types, how we work with line types within Autocad, how we control the line type pattern, and how we can set objects on separate line types. In this example, we're going to be looking at the lines denoting the hinge of the window, and we want to give this an overriding line type so as it is represented or shown as a dashed line type. As you can see at the moment, this geometry is created on the Windows layer, and the Windows layer itself, if we explore, we can see is created on a continuous line type. As we can see, this layer is created on a continuous line type. However, we wish to change elements on that layer to give it an overriding line type pattern. In order to do this, we will be using the overriding line type properties drop-down list on your properties bar. If you select your drop-down list from your line types, you can see there is preloaded line types available to assign to your object. We need to be careful, however, when we're working with line types, as your model space and your paper space must match with the viewport scale that you are working with in order for your line types to be properly represented. Now we're going to change over the line types of the first window hinge, and we're going to give them an overriding line type. To do this, we'll select the lines representing the hinge. We'll go up to the properties panel, and from your line types drop down list, we're going to select ACAD ISO 2W100. Left click to select this from your list, and you will see that your line types for the selected objects have now updated to show a dashed line. This is the line types that we are looking to represent the hinge of our window. Now, as you will see, now there are a few important factors here. Our annotation scale down in the bottom left corner has been set to 1 to 50, matching our viewport. If we change that to a 1 to 1 and regenerate, you will see that the lines go solid again. If we bring the annotation scale back to a 1 to 50, the line type pattern is then brought back to a dashed line type. Now this is very important when working within Autocad, as you need to make sure that your annotation scale matches that of your viewport scale in order to have your line types properly represented when you are creating a presentation. If you need to change the scale because it is not showing as desired and you're on the right annotation scale, you can select your geometry, go into its properties, and in the properties list you can update the line type scale to increase or decrease the value of the pattern to give you a more desirable finished or the desirable line type pattern, as you can see here.